everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today, I am not feeling too well. My throat seems a little bit grouchy today, like I've swallowed a frog, or swallowed a crab. What? But today, we are going to be looking at a set as well. Set number 7346 from LEGO Creator. It was released in 2012. As well, this is a 3-in-1 set. Last time we looked at the first and smallest build. Today we're going to be looking at the second house, which is the medium build. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, this set comes with this one minifigure. It's the same one as last time with these grey legs and red and a blue top. If you haven't seen the first build, do go check that out with the same sort of orange gingery hair. Looking around the back, yep, just about the same guy. So the main part of this set goes, of course, into the house over here. This is the medium build, and it does leave a few pieces behind. It is quite large. I've had to raise the camera a little bit. It's a little bit of a 360, and it is quite a tall house, which is about 20 centimeters in height. So first of all, let's have a look at the base down over here, where we have the waterfront down by the beach. We have these blue base plates to be water, and we also have some cream base plates going up the shoreline as well. Over here we have a little brown pier made out of these brown base plates, and we have a sort of flag pole over here with a red flag and a life ring. Over here we have a little terrace slash porch or some sort of boardwalk. We have this little barrier set up over here with these yellow and white base plates along here, and we have a little table over here with a little refreshment and this see-through mug, and we also have this laid-back chair over here, so we can stick our little minifigure there and he can relax in the sunshine. And down here on the shore we have this little orange crab, and looking around the side to the rear part of the house we have this plant growing up over here, some sort of maybe a succulent plant or something like that. What? By the way, not succulent as in edible, succulent because it's sort of related to the cactus plant. What? And looking around the back of the house, we get to have a look, a little bit of the color scheme, which is bright blue with some white bricks at the base and this red roof at the very top of the house. Now this is a 2-level house, so we have one level down here and another level up here. So first of all, we have this window element over here and some transparent bricks as well to be as a little sort of window over there. By the way, this is sitting on a 16 by 16 green base plate as well, along with these blue base plates to make it a little bit longer. And over here we have another window. This is an opening window, and we have a sort of slight blue awning going over there as well. And just so we can get it out of the way, the dimensions of this house is 18 centimeters in length and about 13 centimeters in width as well. Now, before we move on to the rest of the house, let's take a little break down here at the beach for the fact of the day. So, Johnny, what have you got for us? So the fact of the day is, crabs can be found around the world and sometimes can walk forwards, live only on land, or even swim. Oh yeah, speaking of crabs, hey, look at our little man. He's checking out this crab. Now let's continue our little tour of the house. So first of all, here at the front, we have this glass door, which is the sort of front door to the house. We'll have a look inside later. We also have this window piece over here as well. Now, going up the front, oh, hang on a second. We also have a little light down under here. Don't know if you can see that, but we have a little light, makeshift light over here. And another light up here atop of this door, which leads up to the balcony area over here. Now this balcony is using these white barrier pieces, and we have some plants growing over here as well some more window elements. And over here on the side we have these stairs over here. So we've got this stair element with a few extra base plates down there below, just to make sure that we have a full staircase going up, and that leads to this area over here which is another little balcony sort of section. We have a little surfboard piece over here, so we can take our guy surfboarding if we like to. And we also have, of course, this yellow door over here with this little red handle, and we also have a little grill element under there. Now moving around the top section of the house, we have another one of those opening windows over here, and over on this side we have some plain blue bricks with this little grill sort of vent stuck in there as well. Now we can pose people onto the little balcony area over here, or we can put them inside like so. Now the roof, it doesn't open, but this whole top section can open, and just lost a little piece over there, so we can put this over here to the side, and we can reach our hands into here. So looking on the inside over here, we have space for furniture if you want to put some custom furniture inside there. And looking around over to this corner, we can see that taking the top section off leaves this little balcony area over here. We also have this window over here. We also have some of these inverted slope pieces to hold up the little balcony area as well. And taking a closer look at the top section over here, well, our guy's stuck in there. Well, I just take him out like that. We can reach inside this top area with putting our fingers through the doors over here and over here. You can put some more furniture in there as well. It is quite plain in there. We can have a closer look at this potted plant that is over here on this balcony area, and we can also have a look at how the roof is made up. So we've got these small roof tile pieces and these larger roof tile pieces, and we also have this little makeshift chimney as well. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!